morning, students. In this class, we are going to solve some problems in exercise D. In that, first problem is in triangle ABC, if tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6, tan B by 2 is equal to 20 by 37, then show that tan C by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Very beginning, in triangle ABC, we know that already in triangle ABC means sum of all the three angles is 180 degrees. That means we can write A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. In triangle ABC means sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. Now, in our problem, the given data is tan A by 2 and one more data is tan B by 2. Angle position is A by 2 and B by 2. So that here divide with 2 on both sides. That means A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. And this is we can write left side A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. That means 90 degrees. And from this, one angle converted into right side. That angle is C by 2. And from this, we can write A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Okay. Now, for this, both sides apply tan function. Why? Because tan function means in problem itself, the function is in terms of tan. So that here applying tan on both sides, then we can write tan of A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Now this is one of the formula. This is take as A and this is take as B. Then tan of A plus B. We have formula. Tan of A plus B means formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to, this is 90. Many times I told you already, when it is 90 or 180 or 270 or 360, completely depending upon Ostav-Teacups concept. 90 means the function will be changed. So tan changes to cot and it is a 90 minus theta, just like 90 minus theta means it belongs to first quadrant. First quadrant means all are positive, so that plus only. Now tan A by 2 means we have some data, that is 5 by 6. Just replace in this step tan A by 2. Then we can write directly 5 by 6 plus tan B by 2. Then 20 by 37 by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 20 by 37 is equal to, this is a cot C by 2. Okay. Now you can take LCM of 6 and 37. That means both are different numbers. We can get 6 and also 37 LCM. Then 5 into 37. Just you can multiply. 5 into 37 means 35 and 5 15. 15 plus 3 means 18 plus 20 into 6, that means 120. By denominator also LCM is same, 6 into 37. So 6 into 37 is LCM. 1 into LCM part. 6 into 37 means 6 into 7, 42. That means 4. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Minus 5 into 20, 100, which is equal to cot C by 2. Now LCM part is cancelled. 185 plus 120. Just we can add these two numbers, 5 plus 0. So we can write 5 and 8 plus 2, 10. So totally 305 by 222 minus 100. That means we can write 122 is equal to cot C by 2. So finally 305 by 122. Here just we can use one table. 61 table, just it will be cancelled here. 61 table. 61 table, suppose 5 times. 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 6, 30. So 305. 61 table is here 5 times. 61 table here 2 times because 61 into 2, that means 122. So finally 5 by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. This is cot C by 2. From that, tan C by 2 means just reciprocal of this is. Then we can write 2 by 5. Okay, the next problem. Prove that cos square pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8 plus cos square 5 pi by 8 plus cos square 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Prove that so that we can take LHS. So LHS is cos square pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8 plus cos square 5 pi by 8 plus cos square 7 pi by 8. This is LHS. We know already pi means 180 degrees. 180 by 8. 180 by 8 means exactly there is no cancellation. Is it or not? So that actually here we have 4 different angles. Pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8, 7 pi by 8. 4 are different angles. First we have to do last 2 angles, it should be converted into pi by 8 and 3 pi by 8. Once again, last 2 angles, it must be converted into first 2 angles. Let us see how to convert. First 2 angles are as it is, that means cos square pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8 plus cos square. Now, this 5 pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8 we are changing. How to changing means this is pi minus right to previous angle, that means 3 pi by 8. This 5 pi by 8 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 8. Just let us check whether it is correct or wrong. How to verify means just you can take LCM of these 2 terms. Here LCM is 8. Then we will get 8 pi minus 3 pi. 8 pi minus 3 pi, that means 5 pi. Okay, just let us check like that. And last angle, cos square, this is 7 pi by 8. Now this is how to convert means pi minus previous angle, that means pi by 8. This is pi minus 3 pi by 8 and this is pi minus pi by 8. Just you can verify once again like as the previous term. LCM is 8 here for these 2. Then 8 pi minus pi. 8 pi minus pi, that means 7 pi. Okay, so that is the way of change. First one is as it is, cos square pi by 8, and the next one is cos square 3 pi by 8 plus pi, that means 180 degrees. Just now I told you already, when it is 180 based on also teacups. 180 means the function does not change. So that write as it is a cos square 3 pi by 8. But actually it is a 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means it belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant means the cos is negative. Actually we will get negative here. But power is square. Minus a whole square means we will get plus. So that plus. Do you understand? Once again, pi means 180. As per concept, pi 180 means does not change. So that right as it is a function. But 180 minus theta means actually minus. But minus a whole square because square. Again we will get plus. So that is the way of process. This is 3 pi by 8. Same as next one also. Cos square pi by 8. Same concept. 180 does not change. 180 minus theta second quadrant. We will get minus. Minus a whole square means plus. Just you can observe here, this last 2 angles converted into 3 pi by 8 and pi by 8. Now these 2 are similar. Is it or not? Cos square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8. Then we can write 2 cos square pi by 8 plus, and these 2 are cos square 3 pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8. Then we can write 2 cos square 3 pi by 8. Now from this we can take 2 is common. Now 2 is common, then cos square pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8. Now in this step we have only 2 angles. One is pi by 8, another one is 3 pi by 8. Again both are different. Now again this 3 pi by 8, it must be converted into pi by 8. Okay, let us see how to convert. So 2 into this is cos square pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8 converted into pi by 8. Then pi minus previous angle pi by 8. Just you can verify. LCM of these two, 8. Then verify 8 pi minus pi. 8 pi minus pi means 7 pi. But this is 3 pi. That means it is correct or wrong? Wrong, because when you are simplifying this is 7 pi by 8. But we want 3 pi by 8. So that what I am doing means here, just you can write pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Now you can verify. LCM of 2 and 8. 8 is LCM. 2 here 4 times, that means 4 pi minus this is pi. 4 pi minus pi means 3 pi. So 3 pi by 8. It is clear or not now? Just you can verify very carefully here. Now 2 into cos square pi by 8. This is a pi by 2. That means 90. 90 means also Deger's concept. The function will be changed. That means it changes to sine square pi by 8. Symbol plus only. Why? Because pi by 2 means 90. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta means first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So that sine square pi by 8. Now 2 into this is pi by 8 and this is also pi by 8. Both are same angles. Originally actually in our question 4 different angles actually in first step. Those 4 different angles are converted into 2 different angles. Is it or not? Again the last angle also converted into previous angle. Now cos square pi by 8 plus sin square pi by 8 both are different angles. Now this is just like as a trigonometric identity. We have first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is just like as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that 1 based on identity property. So 2 into 1, 2. So this is only RHS. So next one is, show that cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Previous problem same only, but previous problem power is 2. Now in this problem power is 4. So let us start. How to first I am taking as LHS. That means cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 7 pi by 8. Okay, like as the previous problem only, last 2 angles converted into first 2 angles. That means first one is cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 5 pi by 8 converted into pi minus 3 pi by 8, same as previous problem only, plus cos power 4 pi minus pi by 8. Now cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus, and this is 180, that means no change. So write cos power 4 3 pi by 8. I told you already, actually we will get minus, but power is even power, plus cos power 4 pi by 8. Okay. Now cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8. That means 2 cos power 4 pi by 8. Now this is plus this is 2 cos power 4 3 pi by 8. From these two we can take 2 is common, then cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8. Now these are 2 different angles, same like as the previous problem again, 3 pi by 8 converted into pi by 8. That means 2 into cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Just you can verify, take LHS and verify. I told you previous problem already. So 2 into cos power 4 pi by 8 plus, this is pi by 2, 90. The function will be changes to sin power 4 pi by 8. In previous problem, power is 2. Previous problem, power is 2, so that this is just like as a cos square theta plus sin square theta. Identity property, so the value is 1. Problem is over. In previous problem. But in this problem, power is 4. So that this is not identity property at present. Are you comparing clearly? Previous problem, this is. In the previous problem, we have power 2. So directly identity property, the value is 1. Problem is over. But in this problem, power is 4. It is not identity property. So that the problem, still we have to simplify. How to simplify means when we have power 4, that can be expressed as square and again whole square. That means 2 into, this is we can write cos square pi by 8 whole square plus sin square pi by 8 whole square, which is clear. Square again square. Now it is just like as, this is take as a, this is b, a square plus b square, a square plus b square. So a square plus b square means we can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is general formula. Is it or not? Why? Because a plus b whole square, suppose if you are expanding, formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is minus 2, both are cancelled. Then we can get a square plus b square. So that finally a square plus b square can be expressed as in this way. That formula now I am applying to this step. So 2 into, which is equal to 2 into a plus b whole square. A means cos square pi by 8. So cos square pi by 8 plus b means sin square pi by 8. So a plus b whole square minus 2 ab, a cos square pi by 8, cos square pi by 8 sin square pi by 8. Okay. Now which is equal to 2 into, this is identity property, just like a sin square theta plus cos square theta. So identity property, and 1 we have again square 1 square minus 2, write in order, sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Now multiply with 2. 2 into 1 square. 2 into 1 square means 2 minus 2 into 2, 4 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Okay. So now 2 minus, this is just you can observe clearly, angle is pi by 8. Here angle also pi by 8. The total step can be written as 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. Once again you better to verify. 2 square, that means 4. Sin pi by 8 whole square means sin square pi by 8. Cos pi by 8 whole square means cos square pi by 8. So this total step can be written as 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. Now in brackets, that means this is one of the formula. That formula is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a means the standard formula is sin 2a. That formula now I am applying. 2 minus formula sin 2a, 2 into pi by 8 whole square. So better to write reason also. The standard formula is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. This is the standard formula. Now 2 minus, just this 2, this is 8, 4 times. Just to observe very clearly, this is 2, this is 8, 4 times. Sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 means sin 45. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole square. So 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2. You can take LCM to 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. So the final answer is 3 by 2. This is only RHS. So the next problem is, if tan x plus tan of x plus pi by 3 plus tan of x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. This everything is given data. Show that tan 3x is equal to 1. First we can take given data. That means given the data is tan x plus tan x plus pi by 3. Pi means 180. 180 by 3. So 60 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3. 2 into 180 by 3. 2 into 180 by 3. So 2 into 180 by 3 means 3 here, 60. 60 into 2 means 120, which is equal to 3. Okay? That is the given data. First, we have to simplify last two terms. First of all, how to simplify means tan x plus, this is one of the formula, this part, that is tan a plus b. Is it or not? Tan a plus b standard formula is tan a plus tan b, that means this 60 by 1 minus tan x into tan 60 plus second term, this is also tan a plus b, tan a plus tan 120 by 1 minus tan x into tan 120 is equal to 3. Okay? This is also tan a plus b and this is also tan a plus b formula. Now first one is tan x plus, and the next one is tan x plus tan 60. Tan 60 value is root 3 by 1 minus tan x into tan 60 value is root 3. Okay? Plus tan x plus tan 120. Tan 120 value better to simplify. How to simplify means tan 120. This is we can write tan 90 plus 30. Is it or not? 120. 90 plus 30 means based on also Teacups concept cot 30, because you know 90 function will be changed. Now think about plus or minus. This is a 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means it belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative, so that minus. And cot 30 value is root 3. Finally tan 120 degrees value is minus root 3. So that here minus root 3 by 1 minus tan x into minus root 3 is equal to 3. Now this is the first one, tan x plus root 3 by 1 minus root 3 into tan x plus tan x minus root 3 by 1 minus into minus plus root 3 tan x, which is equal to 3. Now for last two terms only we are simplifying. For these two you can take LCM. These both are different, so we can get LCM both the terms. That means first one is tan x plus LCM of these two terms is 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x LCM. Now this is into this is. Are you clear? By multiplying these two, that means tan x into 1. So tan x. Again tan x into second term. That means plus root 3 tan square x. Again plus root 3 into 1 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 tan x, then 3 tan x by multiplication, because when we are taking LCM these two, then this is into this is. That part is over. Now plus, now multiplication of these two, that means 1 into tan x, so tan x. Okay. Now 1 into minus root 3, so minus root 3. And the next one, minus root 3 tan x into tan x, root 3 tan square x. minus root 3 tan square x minus into minus plus root 3 tan x into root 3. So, root 3 into root 3, finally 3 tan x plus 3 tan x. This everything is only numerator. Okay. Now, just we can simplify numerator. That means, first one tan x. So, this is tan x plus, here we have some similar terms. Let us verify. Tan x plus 3 tan x, 4 tan x, 4 tan x plus tan x, 5 tan x, 5 tan x plus 3 tan x. That means finally 8 tan x, which is clear. And the next one is root 3 tan square x. This is a plus and this is a minus root 3 tan square x, cancel. And the next one is, this is one more term we have, that is plus root 3 and it is minus root 3, both are cancelled. Remaining already over because tan x plus 3 tan x, 4 tan x plus tan x, 5 tan x, 5 tan x plus 3 tan x, 8 tan x, that is only. In the denominator, just like as a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. That means a square 1 square minus b square means root 3 tan x whole square, which is equal to 3. So, now this is tan x plus 8 tan x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to 3. Now, LCM of these two terms. LCM of these two terms means 1. That means 1 minus 3 tan square x is LCM. Now, multiplication of these two, tan x into 1. So, tan x minus tan x into this is 3 tan cube x plus this is into this is, that means 8 tan x is equal to 3. In numerator, tan x plus 8 tan x, that means 9 tan x minus 3 tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to 3. Now, in the numerator you can take only 3 common, only 3. So, when we are taking 3 is common, then we will get 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to 3. Now, 3 cancel. I think, do you know, this is 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. That means this is one of the formula. That formula is tan 3x is equal to, both are cancelled, 1. So, this is only we want to prove that. So, the next problem is prove that sin pi by 5, sin 2 pi by 5, sin 3 pi by 5, sin 4 pi by 5 is equal to 5 by 16. Most of the questions are prove that only. So, that first I am taking as LHS, that is sin pi by 5 into sin 2 pi by 5 into sin 3 pi by 5 into sin 4 pi by 5. Pi means we know that 180 degrees, 180 by 5. 180 degrees by 5 means it will take cancellation, because this is 5, here exactly 36 times cancel. Isn't that not? So, that you can take cancellation. In the previous problem, we have like this, pi by 8 in that way. Previous sin square or sin power 4. Pi by 8 means there is no cancellation here, because 180 by 8. There is no exact cancellation. So, that problem just we are simplifying. But here exactly it will cut. So, that you better to replace sin 180 degrees by 5 into sin 2 into 180 degrees by 5 into sin 3 into 180 degrees by 5 into sin 4 into 180 degrees by 5. So now when we are taking cancellation, this is 36 times, so that sin 36 degrees into sin, this is 36. 36 into 2, that means 72 degrees. Okay. So now into sin 536, 36 into 3, that means 108 degrees. And the next one is into sin 536 times, 36 into 4, that means 144 degrees. Okay. These are the angles. Just you can observe here, we have some particular values for these angles. Sin 36 we have value, 72, 108, 144 also we can convert it. Let us see how to convert. So sin 36 degrees, just write as it is, into sin, this is 72 degrees, then we can write 90 minus 18. Just you can verify, 90 minus 18, that means 72. And next one is 108 can be written as 90 plus 18. Okay. And the last one is sin 144, 180 minus 36. Just you can subtract it and verify. 180 minus 36, that means 144. Now sin 36 as it is, it is 90, the function will be changed. Sin changes to cos 18 degrees into again 90. Sin also changes to cos 18 degrees because 90 function will be changed. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means it is a second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. 180 function does not change. So that write sin 36. And it is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. So write positive. So these are the angles. And sin 36, this is sin 36. Here into sin 36 into sin 36 is sin square 36. So this is into this is. So sin square 36 into, now multiplication of these two, cos 18 into cos 18. So cos square 18 degrees. Okay. Now replace those particular values. Sin 36 value is square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 square, so that square. Cos 18 degrees value is square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is square, so whole square. Okay. Now do you know already this square belongs to numerator and also denominator. When we are applying for numerator, root and this is cancelled. Then 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. Okay. And the next one also same process. When we are applying square and this will be cancelled. That means 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 square 16. So now multiplication of these two. When we are multiplying, just like this is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So a square minus b square, that means like this, by 16 into 16. So 16 into 16. So now 10 square, that means 100. Okay. Minus 2 root 5 whole square, because 20. Why? Because 2 square 4. 4 into 5, 20 by 16 into 16. Okay. Now 100 minus 20, that means 80 by 16 into 16. And the 16 table directly here 5 times. Is it or not? So finally 5 by 16. Show that 5 by 16. Okay. All these problems are very important. We shall discuss remaining problems in the next class.